Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel, Peter Boom 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 review stuff. And today we are outside and we are gonna do a little gardening video, of which I am very, very excited about. And I'm gonna show you the, here, let me give you a little hint, of the things I'm gonna show you in just a second. And we're actually gonna plant something today. Well, I'm gonna attempt to plant something. I was gonna do this in the front, in the walk, but there's a lot of people walking by. And so I was like, I would probably be better if I did it in the backyard where nobody can see. So welcome to my patio, which we haven't even put together yet. But first I wanna show you my newest gift that we received from our good Judy, Alex's best friend Sarah, purchased this for us. She bought one for herself and she bought one for her mom, and then she brought this over to us, and it is so fantastic. It is a squirrel. You guys, I'm living for this. It is a squirrel picnic table. Do you see? Okay, so let me tell you what you do with this. Now, we have just been putting it on our table right here. So see, you can put it on your table just like this. And then you can put your little treats and things, and we put some like nuts and whatever right here. And then the squirrels can go up there and they can eat it. But the other thing, we've also had birds, a lot of birds up there. I actually like took a shower in. I did not do my hair, but it's like, my sideburns are so long at this point. It's like, who cares, who cares? Anyway, so the other thing that you can do is, you can like put a nail on the side of a tree, and you can put this on there, and so it like sits on the side of a tree. I've seen a lot of these. You can get these on Amazon, you can get these on Etsy, you can get them all over. Just put in squirrel. They're like 20 or 30 bucks, some of them. Now, they have like nicer ones that have tablecloths and stuff, so we're gonna make a little tablecloth and put it on here. I'm so excited for our squirrely friends, but of which we have many, because as you can see, we have this backyard back here, and we always have many, many animal friends. And so I like to put little, like, you know, bird feeders and stuff up back there. So anyway, is this not the coolest thing in the entire world? I'm living for it. So anyway, let's do a little thumbnail. Here, I'm going to show you. Well, we'll do a thumbnail after I bring everything out. So, the next thing that I'm going to review and use is this little thing I bought last year. I think I bought this at like Five Below or the Dollar Tree. And it is by Buzzy. And it has a little Buzzy bee in the corner. And see, it looks like this, like a little popsicle. Thank you. And it says, "You are so berry sweet. Strawberry Grow Kit." I've got stuff all over this shirt. What a mess of trouble. And then it says step 1. And it shows you the little steps on here. Step 1 is that you, like, I don't know, you dig earth up. That's step 2 is you put your seeds in. Step 3 is you put your stick in the ground. And then step 4 is that you water it. And here we got, this is our water. You kind of have to improvise, okay? So anyway, we're going to do that. Here, let me open it right now and see what this is like. When you open it, I have no... Oh, it's a little spoon. So you dig with your spoon. How cool is this? Oh, no. Wait a second. Okay, step 1, I guess, is that... Because it has little potting soil with it, but we're not going to use that. We're not going to care about that. It has this little potting soil thing with it, right? So we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to put the seeds in the ground and see how they go. This is alpine strawberry. We're going to put them right down here in the ground over here, because the dogs don't really pay much attention to that area anyway. So we're going to put those seeds in the ground in just a second. And it comes with this little digging spoon. Is that not so fun? Okay. But the next thing I got was this fashionable gardening claw. I got this on Amazon last year. So let me, oh, there's 2 of them. Oh my God. Oh no, there's one, and then there's the claw. So this is what you get, okay? So hold on a second. I have to. Let me put this on first of all so I can get a, oh my God, this is like Edward Scissorhands. So I can get a good thumbnail for this. I love it so much. Okay. So anyway, let me put on the other one. I am dying. I love this so much. There's another glove, but see, the other glove doesn't have the... Okay. So we're going to put this... Here's the squirrel picnic table. And then... How do I do all this together? Okay. For my thumbnail. Okay. So... It even has instructions. Jazz hands, da 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 da. I should have been in show choir, but I wasn't. Okay. They didn't want me. Okay. Dear valued customer, it says, thank you very much for shopping in Hode. Oh, ho, I get it. Okay. But it's not spelled that way. These smell very rubbery. family friendly. Thank you very much for shopping in Hode Fashion. We sincerely hope you'll be satisfied with our products. So here we invite you to share your 4-star or 5-star shopping. They tell you what you have to say, okay? 4-star or 5-star shopping review in your shop with other customers. Okay, you know how we're like supposed to wear gloves and all that kind of stuff? Can you imagine if I went to the grocery store shopping like, I forgot I had these and I didn't have any gloves. I think now you're not supposed to wear gloves, so they tell us. Okay, how to post your review. It just tells you how to post. What is a bunch of crap about this? Step 1, log into your account and then find out this order. You can click the right part. Write a product's review to post your wonderful words. Who writes these? They need a grammar check. Okay. Step 2, you can also search this product number on Amazon.com and I meant com. Okay. And then you can find out, okay, wait. I can't hardly read this. As one traditional trade company, more than 10 years history, this is so poorly written. We devote on providing high quality environmental and economic products for your customers. We insist on integrity business. This literally, it says nothing about the gloves whatsoever. It just is how to write a review. And this is what they come in, so junk. All right, should we go over here and should we, let me take my spoon and let me take my seeds and we're going to, of course I should probably take this, shouldn't I? We keep it up here these days, see, because Alex is like that. But I'm like, the squirrels, what if they knock it off and then they don't have any place to live? And I would be real sad then because they didn't have a place to come and have their, what do you call it? Should we do it over here? I was going to do it right here. Okay. So we're going to do it right over here. Now, at one point, we had a little bunny rabbit that was living underneath our house, so don't try to pay attention to him because he might have secrets going on over there. Ah! It's falling down. Can you even see? Okay. Do you know what I need? I need one of those things right here. I need one of those things that I can lean my knees on because this is not comfortable, okay? This is not nice. This is why I don't garden. Okay. So here, let's lift this up a little bit more. Now I'm going to have to clean it because it's going to get into the dirt and everything. Damn it, Janet, why is this not working? Okay. People are like, why do you sit in a car? Here, let's do it over here. See, then I can't see the camera, so I don't know like how well it's doing. People are like, why don't you vlog like your life during the day? Because this is what you would see. Me trying to attempt little things like that. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna. It's not wanting to come up. Oh, I need my spoon. Hold on a second. Hello, how are you doing? It's Peter, the spoon. Hold on. Okay. I swear if I see. Oh, what is this shit? Oh my. I mean, what is this SHI? Look at this crap. Good thing I have these. Good thing I have these. Here, look. Get out of that way, Rock. Okay. Ooh, okay. How far are we supposed to go down, I wonder? It doesn't say on the thing. Okay. I think that's good enough. Okay. Woo! Mama told me not to come. Okay. I don't think there's any seeds in this thing. Now I gotta take... Oh. Oh my God, the seeds are so... Look at the little seeds. There are like hardly any in there. Okay. Can you see? They're very little. Ah! You can't see. Anyway, this is the stupidest review in the entire world. Okay. There you go. Grow. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Come on, strawberries, I'm hungry. I want some strawberries and cream. I'm hungry. Moral of the story. This was stupid, and this is why I've been waiting to do this forever. I'm nobody's gardener. Oh my God, I can hardly get up. I'm so old, my Lord. My legs. Okay. So that was that. Oh, where did I forgot to get my little spoon. That was the best part. I was going to use that for my strawberries and cream, but my strawberries haven't grown yet. So anyway, I will keep you guys updated, and I will let you know. Don't forget to go get these little things, because they're so fun to use. But anyway, I would give the squirrel table a 5 out of 5. I would give these, I will tell you, they don't really work very well. The idea is kind of cute, but they don't really dig into the ground very well. And they just kind of make a mess of trouble. And then I would give these seeds, not many seeds came with it, which is probably why they were at the Dollar Tree. I mean, there were like a couple little seeds in there. I don't know how many seeds it takes to grow strawberries, but I would give this, I would give it a 3. I like the gimmick. I think it's cute for kids and stuff like that. I think you're supposed to start it in like a bowl and then transplant them. But who has time for all that stuff? I know I don't. I got videos to make and stuff. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've tried all this. And I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.